Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change YouTube video quality. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now if you're on YouTube, you're watching a video on your phone, on a tablet, or a computer, TV, whatever it may be, you can always adjust the quality to match your internet speed. So if you have a really fast internet speed, you might as well bump up the quality to the highest resolution. So I'm going to open up the YouTube app here, and I'm just gonna run through a demo on this video right here. So if I open up this video and wait for this ad to play, basically if I wanted to change the quality on here, I can do it directly in the app. I can hit skip here now. What I'm going to do is tap on it and tap on the gear icon at the top right here. And you can see the very first option is quality. A lot of times this is set to auto. It will detect whatever your internet speed is and then just choose whatever quality makes most sense. So you can say on here, auto higher picture quality. I can tap on that and then I can tap the gear icon again. So it doesn't always switch you over to the highest resolution. And then here, let's choose 1080p. That is the highest resolution. Basically, all you have to do is switch over to that and you can see the video in the highest resolution. Of course, if it's running really slowly, you can always just tap the gear again, go to quality advanced, and then you can get it way down, say 360p, and then it will basically play no matter if you have a really slow internet connection. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.